Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add Telegram to your desktop. So it's basically just adding an account to your Telegram account. So initially, before you go onto your phone, you want to go either on your Mac App Store. So you want to type in Telegram and then download Telegram. And it's super simple. You'll be able to access it through your Finder right over here. Excuse me, not your Finder, but your Launchpad. So Telegram for me is right here. And once you open that up, you're going to be met with this type of page, which is a QR code. So now what we're going to do is go back to my phone where I have my Telegram app, and we're going to click on Settings, Devices, and now we're going to click Link Desktop Device. So now we're going to scan this QR code. So now that we're here, we scan the QR code. And now we have successfully added Telegram to our desktop. So you have Telegram over here, all your chats, your phone calls, your contacts, and your settings. So that's how you add a device on Telegram. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.